Welcome to EnglishSpeakingCourse.com. Today's topic is conversation about switching to a new toothpaste brand.
Listen, read, and then repeat.
Neha, please fetch me a new toothpaste. There's no more paste left in this tube. Okay, I'm getting it. Please hold on for a minute. Sure. Take this. Thanks, Neha. I am considering to change our toothpaste brand the next time. What do you think? All of a sudden, why do you want to switch to another brand? I think we should try a toothpaste with Ayurvedic ingredients, such as cloves or mint, which are absent in our current toothpaste. I wouldn't approve since currently we are using fluoride toothpaste, which is the best one. Yes, I get that, but why shouldn't we choose going for natural ingredients than chemicals? Hmm. How about consulting our dentist and follow her recommendations? Isn't it too kiddish to consult a dentist whether to change our toothpaste or not? I'm just suggesting you to go for an expert's advice. There's nothing wrong in that. Okay, if you say so. I will call her today. Let's see what she recommends. Sounds perfect. On another note, have you ever heard of brushing teeth with salt? What? Are you serious? Yes, I've read somewhere in magazine, I guess. Yes, I remember. My granny would never use toothpaste. She would use salt instead. Wow, that sounds interesting. And what was the condition of her teeth as she aged? You will not believe, but she had no cavities and not even a single dental surgery. Awesome! If I'm not wrong, only few of her teeth and molars fell off when she was 80. Great, but you never mentioned all these things about your granny. Because you never asked about her. Oh, my bad, but no regrets. Why is that? Because I learned something today, and now I'm gonna follow your granny. Wonderful. And why only me? Even you should follow it. Good idea.
Did you like my video? If yes, then please follow these steps in an order. First, hit the subscribe button. Once it grays out, you will notice a bell icon show up next to it. Hit this bell icon too, so that you always get all the latest updates from this channel in your email, and then like and share my videos within your network.